me, KinkyStyles 1980. I hope everyone is doing well. So I want to show you guys my room because I updated my room. You guys been asking for a home tour. I'm not quite ready. So anyway, just keep watching. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not, subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I pop through, you'll be like, ah, there she is. So anyways, keep watching. Alright guys, so this is my room when you first enter my room. So first we're going to go ahead and start with this corner over here. So right here is my long mirror. Every girl needs a long mirror because you got to make sure you're looking good before you leave the casa, okay? So over here is a painting. It's black and white, and it basically go with the theme of my room, which is lots of gray. So here is just a sitting area with some pillows and a throw. You could definitely open that, and there's just a yoga mat in there. Over here is a simple window with a lamp, some plants, and some candles. Small little dresser. So I have some plants in my room. So I'm loving plants right now. So this is a really pretty plant. You can see a lot of yellow. So bright. I love the spots on this plant. Leave it here so that way it could get some sunlight. And then I have a candle over here. Now this rock right here means so much to me. My son gave this to me. It is the shape of a heart, if you guys can see that. And he's always like, Mommy, where's your rock? So I have to make sure I keep it here so that way he knows that Mommy is not going to lose it. And then I have some candles over here and my night cream as well. I like to keep my night cream so that way I remember to use it. So I like to keep it here. And I also like to keep my phone here as well. My lamp is like a African print. That's why I love it. And it also goes with the color scheme as well. Over here is my bed. And I just have some simple gray sheets on my bed. Speaking of my bed, I got this tray from Aldi's. I love to binge watch on Sundays. I love to eat in bed and just give me my remote and I am good to go. So yeah, just a simple, relaxing Sunday. And yeah, I'm good to go. And if you've seen my last room tour, you'll know that I had this beautiful headboard, but I had to get rid of it. If you want to know why, I will put the information in the description box. But pretty much to sum it up, I was getting sick from the headboard. So I got this beautiful painting that really goes with the color scheme. It has like turquoise and silver, white, you know, grayish and all that, those colors that fits in with the room. And I have this white cover here and my gray blankie, which I really love. It's so comfortable. That's what I use when I sleep. I don't really use the white cover. The white cover is really there for decoration. Also, I just want to show you guys my chandelier. It's so pretty. So pretty. So now let's go to the other corner of the room, which is a painting of myself. I decided to cover the painting because I don't want no one coming after me in the comment section telling me that I am not a good woman and I'm not a spiritual woman and I'm not a Christian. I don't want to hear all that. So I have it covered. So anyways, it is a painting of me nude. I wanted to, you know, capture my body in my 20s, 30s. So I got this painting, not painting, but portrait done of myself. As you guys can see, I love the woman's body. So yeah, I wanted to capture my beauty because I know beauty fades. So anyways, I have another plant over here. She is gorgeous. Like I said, all of my plants are real. I am in love with plants right now. My kids are getting older, making me feel really sad, so I needed something else to care for. When I first got plants, I killed them, but I'm doing pretty good right now. I try not to water them too much. That's why my plants were dying, because I was pretty much drowning my plants. So I only water them once a week or every 2 weeks. I have another little candle right here. I don't really light it up because my plants are over here and I don't want my plants to burn. And then I have my Buddha. I just want to talk about my Buddha for a minute because I have gotten comments asking me if I'm Muslim, do I believe in God, etc., etc. Guys, I believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ. I am a Christian. I'm not a Muslim, but I do admire the Buddha and what it represents, which it represents inner peace, mental health, and taking care of your body, mind, and soul. So that's why I love her. She reminds me to stop and meditate and just appreciate my mental health. So I love her and she is here to stay. And then I have another dresser over here. It's really for jewelry, but I have jewelry in there, but I'm not really a jewelry person. I just love the way it looks. That's why I got it. It's just so pretty and it just matches the room, as you guys could see. Now we're going to go back to this corner over here. I'm going to show you guys another plant. I love her. She's so gorgeous. I love the green on her. And she's on this stand. I had her in this corner over here, but I moved her over here so that way she could get a little more sunlight. The other day I realized this leaf was literally falling off. So I just tied her here. I believe it was because she got a little too much water. My plants really don't like that much water. So above her, I have a dream catcher. I am a dreamer. I love to dream. So my dream catcher is here to take my bad dreams and leave me with the good ones. So that's why I have my dream catcher there. And I just love this little corner right here because it brings the outside in. If you guys don't know, I actually painted my patio this pretty color. And if you can't see, there's like a dead bug right there. So anyway, so I love this area. It helps me get up in the morning because there's so much sun coming in, you know, in the morning. So I get up around 6 o'clock, but on the weekends, I don't like that. But, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, this is the outside coming in. So I love it. So yeah. So now let's get to this corner over here, which is my desk area. As you can see, I have a Mac desktop here. I got this in December for Christmas. Got it for myself and I haven't opened it, so shame on me. But let's talk about the actual desk. So I got this desk from Amazon. I wanted this area to be very simple. I didn't want it to take over the room. So I went with something very light and simple. It really just goes with the theme and it looks really simple and I like that. So I have another plant right here. I don't know if I said this, but all of my plants are real. No fake plants over here. So I have this little one over here. And then I just have this right here to hold my pens. I thought these were really cute. Some pens look like they're made out of wood, but it's not. I have my camera over here. Some fresh flowers over here. And just a little saying hashtag goals, just to keep me focused on my goals. Your girl gotta stay focused always and forever. And of course I have my laptop. One of the reasons why I don't have my desktop open is because I love my laptop. And it's so much easier to use a laptop versus a desktop. So anyways, I have this painting over here and it represents being bent but never broken. I did this painting about 3 years ago. Then I just have this saying right here and it just says, Be the change you want to see in the world. Smiley face, KinkyStyles 1980s hearts. Yeah. So that's my little desk area over here. And then I have some more plants over here. And I think this one is just gorgeous. She's so pretty. She is actually a hanging plant, but I don't know where I'm going to hang it quite yet in my room because I really would like to have her in my room. And then I have a snake plant over here. I just can't wait to see my babies grow, like get bigger. I'm just so excited. And another thing about plants, they really freshen up your air as well. So you have a nice clean air to live in with plants. And this is just my TV. I love to just binge watch on Netflix, and I have Hulu now as well. So far I've binge watched on Dear White People, and I've binge watched on Insecure. So check out those two. Okay, anyways, let's go to the closet. So this door right here, these two doors right here, opens up to my closet. My closet is really not that organized right now. I've been saying I'm going to organize it, like color coordinate it, but I haven't done that yet, so shame on me. So anyways, this is my closet. Pretty simple closet, but I love all the shelves and everything. This is my lighting. I think it's a little too bright, but that's my lighting. I don't know how to work this camera yet, so that's that. And I just use this area, I put my head wraps and all that good stuff there. And then I have another closet right across from me, which is right here. So I use this for my coats and jackets and things like that. And then up here I have some art supplies that I have not used that I need to use. Like, come on girl, you need to get creative. And then I have some workout shoes if I want to work out inside my house. And I keep all of my shoes in my garage. And these are just some random other things for like doing videos and things like that. And then this is my bathroom, and this is me, guys. This is me. That is it, guys. That's the room tour. So this is the update. A lot of plants, as you guys can see, and yeah.